go back here because you seemed a little bit concerned about those puppies. Come on, this way. Come on. Let's go back past those puppies. Here, let's see the puppies. Here. Them again. There's your sister. Let's go see some of these other guys. Yeah, that's your sister. Come on. You can come out and play.